Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Komang Triana, mathematics education student from Ganesha Education of University. So, I made this video to complete one of the assignments in the English format course. In this video, I will explain about linear equation, especially the best strategy to solve application problem involving linear equation in one variable. So, without any further ado, let's begin. Before going to the actual topic, I will give you simple example of application problem from this story. One day, mother went to a bookstore to buy 3 notebooks for 15,000 Indonesia rupiah. The 3 books will be given to Rina and her 2 friends. Because her friends wanted to pay, they asked Rina how much one book costs. Rina was confused because at that time, her mother was not there. How do we help Rina determine the price of one such book? Have you ever heard or even experienced problem like this? And also, don't you know how to actually solve a problem like this? Congratulations to you, because in this video, I will provide strategies for how to solve a problem like this. Now moving on to the actual topic. That story is the application problem involving linear equation in one variable. We use linear equation to solve that problem. So, I hope you have an understanding of the basic linear equation. Need to know that when solving application problems, we use mathematical models. The following strategy can be used for solving application problems involving linear equation. Step 1. Define the problem. Step 2. Assign variables. Step 3. Translate into an equation. Step 4. Solve the equations. Step 5. Check the reasonableness of your answer. Step 6. Answer the question. I will explain further as well as solve the previous example problem. Step 1. Define the problem. Read the problem carefully or multiple times if necessary. Identify what you are trying to find and determine what information is available to help you find it. So in our example problem, we are trying to find the price of one notebook, and the available information that will help us to find it is the price of 3 notebooks is 15,000 Indonesia rupiah. Step 2. Assign variables. Choose a variable to assign to an unknown quantity in the problem. For example, let the price of one notebook is X. If other unknown quantities exist, express them in terms of the selected variable. So, we must find the X value. Step 3. Translate into an equation. Use the relationships among the known and unknown quantities to form an equation. From the example problem, we have known that the total price of 3 notebooks is 15,000 Indonesia rupiah. For your information, in writing the equation, we may not write the units of the information. So, the equation of the problem can be written like this: 3x equals 15,000. This equation determines the price of one notebook, which is X Indonesia rupiah. Step 4. Solve the equation. Determine the value of the variable and use the result to find any other unknown quantities in the problem. From the equation, 3x equals 15,000, dividing both sides by 3, and then we get x equals to 5,000. Step 5. Check the reasonableness of your answer. Check to see if your answer makes sense within the context of the problem. If not, check your work for errors and try again. From the equation 3x equals to 15,000, we can input x value 5,000 to the equation, and we get 3 multiplied by 5,000, and we get 15,000 equals to 15,000. And the x value, and from that the x value 5,000 is correct. Step 6. Answer the question. Write a clear statement that answer the questions posed. Don't forget, when writing the clear statement, you must write the units as well. From the problems we have, we can write the clear statement like this. Thus, the price of a notebook that Rina's mother bought is 5,000 Indonesia rupiah. That's all the strategies that can be used for solving application problems involving linear equations. And now I will give you another application problem. Let's solve it together. Exercise number 1. Sum of two numbers is 74. One of the numbers is 10 more than the other. What are the numbers? If you want to find the solution by yourself, you can pause this video and then resume it again to see the correct solution. And now I will explain to you about the solution of this problem. So we have available information are sum of two numbers is 74 and one of the numbers is 10 more than the other. And then we have to find the numbers. If the smaller number is taken to be x, the larger number is 10 more than x, i.e. x plus 10. Then, the other condition says that the sum of these two numbers is equal to 74. This means that x plus 10 equals to 74, or 2x plus 10 equals to 74. Transposing 10 to right hand side, so we get 2x is equals to 74 minus 10, or 2x equals 64. Dividing both sides by 2, x equals 32. This is one number. The other number is x plus 10 equals 32 plus 10 equals 42. Let's check the reasonableness. Their sum is indeed 74 as given, and also one number is 10 more than the other. The desired numbers are 32 and 42. And now let's move to the exercise number 2. The present age of mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, their age will add to 66 years. Find their present age. So again, if you want to find the solution by yourself, you can pause this video, okay? And now I would like to explain the right solution. So, I will not explain the step 1 and step 2 about the available information and what are we want to find, okay? So, let Sahil's present age be x years. Look at this table. Sahil age is x, and then mother. So from that mother x is 3x. After 5 years, Sahil x will be x plus 5 and mother's x will be 3x plus 5. So the sum of their x after 5 years is 4x plus 10. It is given that after 5 years, their x will add to 66 years. Therefore, 4x plus 10 is equal to 66. This equation determines Sahil's present age, which is x years. To solve the equation, we transpose 10 to right hand side. So we get 4x equals to 66 minus 10, or 4x equals to 56, or x is equal to 56 over 4 equals 14. So x equals 14 is Sahil's present age, and mother's present age is 3 times 14 equals 42 years. So you may easily check that 5 years from now, the sum of their age will be 66 years. Thus, Sahil's present age is 14 years and his mother's age is 42 years. So that's all about my explanation. I'm sorry if there are some word error. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!